Hello dears, welcome to NEET revision for Biology Cardiovascular System 50 MCQs with answers. Before we begin, take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Let's start. The pacemaker of the human heart is AV node, SA node, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. The correct answer is SA node. The SA node initiate electrical impulses, hence called the pacemaker of heart. Second one, the valve present between the left atrium and left ventricle is tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, semilunar valve and pulmonary valve. The correct answer is bicuspid valve present between left atrium and left ventricle prevents backflow. Third one, which chamber of the heart has the thickest wall? Right atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. The correct answer is left ventricle pumps blood to whole body, thickest muscular wall. Fourth one, blood from lungs is carried to heart by pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta and vena cava. The correct answer is pulmonary vein carries deoxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium. Fifth one, which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood? Pulmonary vein, aorta, pulmonary artery, coronary artery. The correct answer is pulmonary artery. Only artery carries deoxygenated blood, heart to lungs. The opening and closing of heart valves is due to nervous control, hormonal control, pressure difference, muscular contraction. The correct answer is pressure difference. Valves open and close due to pressure gradients, not nerves. Seventh one, the average normal heart rate in an adult human is 60 beats per minute, 72 beats per minute, 90 beats per minute and 100 beats per minute. The correct answer is 72 beats per minute, average adult resting heart rate. Eighth one, the sound lub during heartbeat is due to closure of semilunar valves, closure of AV valves, opening of AV valves, opening of semilunar valves. And the correct answer is closure of AV valves. Lub sound occurs when mitral and tricuspid valves close. Ninth one, which phase of cardiac cycle involves contraction of ventricles? Joint diastole, atrial systole, ventricular systole and ventricular diastole. The correct answer is ventricular systole phase when ventricles contract and pump blood. 10th one, the coronary arteries supply blood to lungs, brain, kidneys and heart muscles. And the correct answer is heart muscles. Coronary arteries supply myocardium. Pause for a moment, take a deep breath, exhale slowly. Let's continue. Which component prevents backflow of blood in veins? Thick walls, valves, high pressure and muscular layer. The correct answer is valves. Veins have valves to prevent backflow due to low pressure. 12th one, which blood group is known as universal recipient? A, B, AB, O. AB, no antibodies against antigen A or B, universal recipient. 13th one, plasma proteins include all except albumin, globulin, fibrinogen and hemoglobin. The correct answer is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is inside RBC, not a plasma protein. 14th one, lifespan of human RBC is about 30 days, 60 days, 90 days and 120 days. The correct answer is 120 days, average lifespan of human RBC. 15th one, oxygen is transported in blood mainly by plasma, WBC, hemoglobin and platelets. The correct answer is hemoglobin. Oxygen binds with hemoglobin forming oxyhemoglobin. 16th one, which WBC is involved in allergic reactions? Neutrophils, eosinophils, monocytes, and lymphocytes. The correct answer is eosinophils involved in allergic reactions and parasitic infections. 17th one, platelets are formed from erythrocytes, lymphocytes, megakaryocytes, and monocytes. The correct answer is megakaryocytes. Platelets are fragments of megakaryocytes. 18th one, normal blood pH is approximately 6.8, 7, 7.2, 7.4, and the correct answer is 7.4. Normal blood pH from 7.35 to 7.45. 19th one, the blood clotting factor synthesized by liver is calcium, vitamin C, prothrombin, and heparin, and the correct answer is prothrombin, synthesized in liver, required for blood clotting. 20th one, which vitamin is required for blood coagulation? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin K, and vitamin D. And the correct answer is vitamin K, essential for synthesis of clotting factors. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Let's continue. Universal donor blood group is A, B, AB, and O. O. No AB antigens. Universal donor. Which vessel carries blood away from the heart? Vein, venule, capillary, and artery. And the correct answer is artery. Arteries carry blood away from heart. 23rd. The thinnest blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries, and arterioles. The correct answer is capillaries, smallest and thinnest vessels. 24th. Exchange of gases occurs in arteries, veins, capillaries, and aorta. The correct answer is capillaries, site of exchange of gases, nutrients, waste. 25th. Which cell lacks nucleus in humans? WBC, platelet, RBC, and lymphocytes. The correct answer is RBC. Human mature RBC lacks nucleus. 26th. Systolic blood pressure in normal adult is about 80 mmHg, 100 mmHg, 120 mm of Hg, and 140 mm of Hg. The correct answer is 120 mmHg, normal systolic pressure. 26th. Diastolic pressure is measured during ventricular systole, ventricular diastole, atrial systole, joint systole. The correct answer is ventricular diastole. Diastolic pressure measured during ventricular relaxation. 28th. Which condition results from decreased RBC counts? Leukemia, thrombosis, anemia, and hemophilia. The correct answer is anemia, caused by reduced RBC or hemoglobin. 29th. Hemophilia is a disorder of RBC, WBC, platelets, and blood clotting. The correct answer is blood clotting, hemophilia, clotting disorder. 30th one. Which artery supplies blood to heart muscles? Pulmonary artery, coronary artery, aorta, and carotid artery. The correct answer is coronary artery, supplies oxygenated blood to cardiac muscle, means heart muscle. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Let's continue. The conduction of heartbeat is myogenic because it originates from nerves, it originates from muscles, it depends on hormones, and it depends on lungs. The correct answer is it originates from muscles. Heartbeat is myogenic, not neurogenic. SA node is located in left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, and right ventricle. The correct answer is right atrium. SA node located near opening of superior vena cava. 33. Bundle of His is present in atria, ventricles, septum, and pericardium. The correct answer is septum. Bundle of His passes through interventricular septum. 34th. Which layer surrounds the heart? Endocardium, myocardium, pericardium and epicardium. The correct answer is pericardium, double layered protective covering of heart. Which blood component provides immunity? RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma. The correct answer is WBC, provide immunity and defense. 36. Plasma constitutes about dash of blood volume. 30%, 45%, 55% and 70%. And the correct answer is 55%. Plasma 55%. Formed elements 45%. Which leukocyte is called macrophage in tissues? Neutrophil, monocyte, basophil and eosinophil. The correct answer is monocyte becomes macrophage in tissues. Antibodies are produced by RBC, T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes and monocytes. The correct answer is B lymphocytes produce antibodies. Which valve prevents backflow into left atrium? Tricuspid, mitral, pulmonary and aortic. The correct answer is mitral valve prevents backflow from left ventricle to left atrium. ECG records blood pressure, heart sounds, electrical activity of heart and blood flow. The correct answer is electrical activity of heart. ECG records P, QRS and T waves. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Let's continue. Which ion is essential for muscle contraction of heart? Sodium, potassium, calcium and iron. The correct answer is calcium, essential for cardiac muscle contraction. Increased BP is called hypotension, hypertension, atherosclerosis and thrombosis. The correct answer is hypertension, persistent high blood pressure. Which disease is due to blockage of coronary arteries? Angina pectoris, asthma, pneumonia and tuberculosis. The correct answer is angina pectoris, chest pain due to reduced coronary blood flow. The volume of blood pumped by each ventricle per minute is stroke volume, cardiac output, residual volume and tidal volume. The correct answer is cardiac output. Volume pumped per minute is equal to stroke volume into heart rate. Normal cardiac output of an adult is about 2 liters per minute, 3 liters per minute, 5 liters per minute and 8 liters per minute. The correct answer is 5 liters per minute. Normal adult cardiac output at rest. Which component maintains osmotic pressure of blood? Globulin, albumin, fibrinogen and hemoglobin. The correct answer is albumin maintains osmotic pressure of blood. ABO blood grouping is based on antibodies in RBC, antigens on RBC, antibodies in plasma and plasma protein. The correct answer is antigens on RBC. ABO grouping based on A and B antigens. Which vessel has maximum blood pressure? Veins, capillaries, aorta and venules. The correct answer is aorta. Maximum blood pressure found here. Which disorder is genetic and sex-linked? The anemia, leukemia, hemophilia and hypertension. The correct answer is hemophilia. X-linked recessive genetic disorder. And the last question, heparin acts as clotting factor, anticoagulant, antibody and hormone. And the correct answer is anticoagulant. Heparin prevents clot formation. Thank you for watching. Join me next for Endocrine System MCQs. Stay connected for more NEET biology content. Subscribe and turn on notification.